work, so it's time for more cleaning. It's the weekend after Carnival, so we'll see if there's any mess still left from that, or if the council have actually done a good job cleaning it. So far, it's quite dirty. Okay, I will say the marketplace is actually relatively clean. The council eventually did clean up the marketplace pretty well, excluding where the old Betfred is, which again is just bad, isn't it? Why? I get it, no one owns the building, but surely this is still public land. Shame to see the people who bought the museum have decided to sell the back half for the exact same amount that they bought the entire building for. It's not very promising, is it? Clearly shows they're not really devoted to the building. It's concerning. Maybe it'll just get sold on again. So the companies are going to be responsible for this alleyway. Yeah, so that explains why it's in such a tip. No one looks after it. Most of the time that gate's left shut, but as of more recent they've left it open, and well, this is what's become of it. Right, Iceland is a terrible mess, so I have to clean this first because otherwise I'm just going to be overloaded. And I clean it later. Put it in some of the bins near Ashwood. As always, the state of the wall in Iceland is bad. Not as bad as I usually see it, but there's a lot of excess rubbish on the car park as well. Clean this up. Someone's really been having a go at those Nesquik cars. Unfortunately, the orchard was left a mess after Carnival, and nobody from the council came to clean it, which isn't a surprise. It looks like it's could be quite a bad day for Ashford. So a fair bit more than usual for just the bottom bit of the road. This wheelbarrow is definitely full. So my shoulder has given up now, so 2 barrows is all we're going to do today, but it is 2 overfilled barrows, so it is certainly better than nothing. But thank you very much for watching. Big thank you to all my supporters on Ko-fi, and until next time, ta-ra. There's a flutter.